Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What is your name?
Ayan Javed.
Umar Ismail.
Are you a student or are you working right now?
We are students right now.
I am also a student right now.
So, what do you think is the average monthly cost of living in Pakistan for a single person, and then tell me for two persons?
अगर आप बैचलर हैं तो फिर तो आपकी लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस अगर आप एक नॉर्मल लाइफस्टाइल से जीते हैं तो मोस्टली
30-40 के करीब हो जाता होगा बैचलर्स का.
मैक्सिमम भी जो है ना
Single person का.
50K तक तो जाता ही है.
30-40K for just one person.
Yes,
If they are owning their own house or if they are on rent.
they are on rent.
नहीं, अगर रेंट बना तो ज़्यादा हो जाता है क्योंकि आजकल एक सिंगल फ्लैट का भी रेंट जो है ना 15K तक है, तो ये तो ऑलमोस्ट उसकी हाफ बन जाती है. और उसके बाद आजकल के बढ़ती हुई महंगाई की वजह से जो गुड्स हैं और सारा कुछ ये ऑलमोस्ट 60K तक तो जाता ही जाता है मिनिमम, अगर बंदा बहुत ही बजट पर रहे तो.
So, are you living in your own house or are you on rent?
I am on rent. Government given house. My father is a government employee.
We are living on rent, so yeah.
What's your expense for a month?
My monthly expense is the rent is 50K for a one canal floor.
No, is this for the rent or including your food and transportation?
Only rent is 50K, and the monthly expense because I have 4 brothers, तो मेरा जो हमारा मंथली एक्सपेंस है वो तकरीबन 5 से 6 लाख तक हो जाता है महीने का, इंक्लूडिंग फीसेस एंड एवरीथिंग, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड एक्सपेंसेस, गुड्स वगैरह.
Would you like to tell us your goal of your life?
माई लाइफ मैं अभी CS कर रहा हूँ, तो यही इरादा है कि बैचलर्स करना है और उसके बाद आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्टडी ओवरसीज़ टू गेट अ मास्टर्स डिग्री फ्रॉम अ गुड इंस्टीट्यूशन, और उसकी बेसिस पर कोई जॉब ही करेंगे.
Inshallah. And what about you?
Same plan. Going to go abroad.
I hope you come to fulfill your dreams. Are you a student or you are currently working as well?
I am a student. I'm doing bachelor's in psychology and I am in my 4th semester currently.
Are you working as well?
I'm not working. I'm currently unemployed and I'm living off of my father's money. Thank you, Dad. And that's about it.
So, what do you think? You will graduate soon. What do you think should be or is the average monthly cost of living in Pakistan for a single person?
For a single person, that depends if they can deal with hostel life or not, or would they rather deal with like having their own studio apartment. So that varies, but I think a single person can carry life in a very, very middle class life from 40 to 60K.
40 to 60K.
Yes, I think they can manage it if they are living a very not an extravagant life. तो वो 40 से 60 हज़ार में manage कर सकते हैं किसी तरह, but that is bare minimum.
So, you are saying 40 to 50K for a single person to live a normal life, not a luxury life.
I wouldn't even say normal life, but a life just to get through the day. But I think yes, if they want to live a normal life, that I would say middle class or upper middle class, that would be around 80 to 90K, I suppose.
Is food and clothing items expensive in Pakistan?
That depends on where you eat from. That depends. Clothing depends on if someone is brand conscious, but if you're not brand conscious, it's not too expensive, but it is moderately expensive. You can find stuff in a good price if you look hard enough.
Are there any thrift stores here in Pakistan?
Yes, there are a lot of thrift stores in Pakistan. Almost there is an entire market dedicated to thrift stores in Pakistan. It's not as famous. It is very famous among Pakistani people, but I don't know if it's famous among different cultures. But in Pakistan, it's a very famous thing. Sunday Bazaar hai. It's in every city, every major city of Pakistan. उसके अलावा there is a lot developing thing. ELO stores बन रहे हैं जो export leftovers हैं. उसके stores भी बन रहे हैं कि जो बनते हैं तो वहाँ से बंदा like moderate price पे ले सकता है.
Would you like to tell us about your goal?
About my goal? My goal in life. Well, my goal in life, the dream is to do something in the motorsport industry, anything about the motorsport industry. But the actual career goal is something to do with helping people, because the reason I chose psychology was that I wanted to help people with PTSD. Whoever, PTSD not in the major sense, but I mean in the minor sense, if there's an accident and a person can't deal with, sitting back in a car or something like that.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a behavioral health technician for different rehab facilities.
So, are you earning enough for yourself? Maybe is it okay for you to lead a good monthly life?
I mean, considering that I am a student and I have a university life, I would say it's well balanced. The pay that I'm getting is enough for me to have a good life, go around places, enjoy some luxuries of it. So yeah, I think it's a good pay.
What do you think is the average monthly cost of living in Pakistan, maybe for a single person, like including housing, food, and transportation?
If I'm to take a guess, it would, if a single person is to live on his own, the cost would reach up to 1 lakh. For what
1 lakh.
Yes, from what I have seen, because I also, after I got employed, I saw that, you know, people to some people that amount seems exceedingly a lot, but considering the expenses, the rent expenses and everything, it does exceed more than 1 lakh.
So, is it true that food and clothing items are expensive in Pakistan?
A lot. If you're gonna try to, you know, compare all of them, food prices have gone way up. You know, even a cup of chai is very expensive nowadays, considering what it was 2 years ago, which is a very hurtful thing that has happened to our country. And other than that, if you're gonna talk about food, other food items, the costs have gone a lot up. And clothing, if you're gonna talk about that, I don't think you can afford good clothing in Pakistan anymore without, you know, if you're gonna thrift, that's one of the most viable options you have right now.
Okay, so there are no thrift stores here?
There are a lot of thrift stores. Specifically talking about the Islamabad region, you have the Sunday Bazaar. Other than that, you have places in F8. You have places in the G sector. So there are a lot of places where you can thrift from.
Would you like to tell us your goal of your life?
The goal of my life, I'm a very artistic. I wouldn't call myself an artist, but I have artistic ambitions, which revolve around the scene of music and movies. So the goal of my life would probably be around these areas.
Are you a student or are you working right now?
I'm a student and I'm working as well. I own a small business.
Wow. What kind of business?
ये मैं अपने ड्रेसेस जो है वो इंपोर्ट कराती हूँ बाहर से, अफ़गानिस्तान से, तुर्की से, दुबई से.
So, do you spend all of your earning on yourself?
No.
How do you spend your earnings?
एक्चुअली जो अर्न होता है वो उसको मैं दोबारा इन्वेस्ट करती हूँ, और जो कुछ चैरिटी में कुछ दे देती हूँ, और कुछ जो होता है वो थोड़ी सी सेविंग्स भी कर लेती हूँ.
That's great. What do you think is the average monthly cost of living in Pakistan for an individual?
काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, क्योंकि अगर एक बंदा अगर यहाँ पे अगर 40-50,000 में कमाता है तो उसका गुजारा नहीं है, I believe.
So, how much you think should be the average amount?
At least lakhs above.
Okay. So, is food and clothing items expensive in Pakistan?
Clothing items?
Yeah.
No, not at all.